Hey guys, this is Joseph Mozart123. I'm here to show you all my puppets that I have right now. This is my Fozzie Bear puppet. He has an arm rod. You can see that. This is my Larry Boy puppet. He doesn't have a movable mouth, but I can not make his head move to make it look like he's talking. This is my Kermit puppet. He's got posable fingers and arm rods. This is my Elmo puppet. He's going to be a guideline for an Elmo replica. He's got long arm rods. This is my Beaker puppet. He's got one arm rod. You can see its shadow right there. And this is my Pig puppet, Wilbur. He's got the voice of Miss Piggy. This is my Jeffrey the Gator puppet. He's I have a pot holder. And, you're gonna be able to see my face. I want to show you. He's got a blinking eye. Anyway, that's Jeffrey the Gator. This is my Big Bird puppet. He's got long arm rods. This is my Rizzo the Rat puppet. Even though it doesn't look like Rizzo the Rat, it's going to be Rizzo the Rat. This is my custom puppet, Mr. Greenball. I created him myself. He took a few minutes, but I made him. This is my Whatnot, Ernie. Sorry his nose fell off. I could quickly get that back on. Get that on. He's also got live hand. He's got a live hand controlled by a human hand, which is mine. Yeah. Get the glove in there. That's what his hand looks like. And this is his hair. They always fall off. The nose and the hair tend to fall off. So that's my Whatnot, Ernie. Basically my Ernie puppet. This is my animal puppet. The drumsticks are built in. These are some other characters. Get them up in the light. So, here's my different characters. This is Keiko. Alright, this is Roy. And this is Jeff. They're all random naked puppets. So, those are all my puppets. See you soon and subscribe.